In this tutorial, I will show you how to automatically send order information to Google Sheet after customers places an order on your bot. First, you need to create a flow in which your order information will be sent to Google Sheet. In this flow, you need to create a custom field for the data you want to send to Google Sheet and use Google Sheet action to send the data to your Google Sheet. Make sure you set the value of each custom field you created to the appropriate e-commerce variable. Create a rule that sends a flow when a new order created on your account. With this setup, once an order is placed, the order information will be set in the custom field we created earlier, and the data will be sent to Google Sheet. Let me show you. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.